In this video, I will show you how to create a landing page in MailerLite. So first off, you need to open up your MailerLite account. If you don't have one yet, you can use the link in the description to create your account and claim your 30-day free trial with no credit card required. Then after creating your account, go to Sites right here. So in Sites, you can see landing pages, and we are just going to click on Create where it says Create your first landing page. Now here, I'm going to give it a name. And then for the type, make sure that you select landing page. Then click save and continue. Now here you need to select a subscriber group. I don't have any yet, so I want to click on create group. Now click continue. And now here you can go and choose a template for your landing page. So you can filter the templates right here by what type of landing page you want to create. For example, if you are doing it for events and invitations, then of course you want to select that. Now I'm just going to look at all the templates right here and find one that I like. For example, I'll use this one right here called Digital Agency, and now you can click either on preview or choose. I'm just going to choose this one. Now you will be taken to the editor. This is a pretty simple drag and drop editor. As you can see, when I go to blocks right here, I can add in any content that I want. You can add a map, countdown, or whatever else you like. And now here you can see the actual landing page, and now you can see it also says success page right here, so that's when somebody opts in for whatever you are creating the landing page for. So of course you want to go ahead and customize all of this, and you can simply click on it and type whatever you want. You can also change the background color or pretty much do anything you want in here. So now here you have a get started button. For the get started button, we want to have a link where this leads them to. Now you can also have it lead them to a pop-up, and for this you do need to have a pop-up created. But for example, you can do an opt-in pop-up and then they can just fill in their information and then you can contact them. Now you can also lead a link to your website or wherever else you want to lead the leads to. So just go ahead and customize all of this however you want, and if you want to remove any part, simply hover over it and click on the delete button. And now as you can see, it's gone. So for example, I don't need this section, so I want to remove this. And now here you have your socials. When you click on this, you want to just go ahead and enter in your username right here for each of these options so that it actually links to your account. Now as you can see, there's currently no logo here, so you can click on the edit icon. And then here you can go ahead and upload your own logo. So for example, if I insert this picture right here, then you can see that this is now right there. So it's all a pretty easy process. And if you want to preview what you have currently created, just go ahead and click on preview. And now you will see the website right here and what it currently looks like. So when you click on any of these buttons right here, you will see this. So this is the Meet Our Team website. But when you click on Get Started and then click Get Started again, you can see that currently it doesn't lead anywhere, so you need to change these settings for these buttons, and you can do that just by going to the editor, then clicking on one of the get started buttons, so for example this one right here, and then opening a link to your wherever you want them to get started. So for example, if you are an agency, then you just want to lead them to a calendar, for example, a Calendly link, or wherever else you want to book a meeting. So that's a pretty simple process. Now once you're done with editing the entire page, you can click Save as Draft right here. And now here you can actually choose your landing page URL. So I'm using the free plan, so a custom domain is not available for me because I'm in the free plan, but you can simply click upgrade your plan and then change it to your domain. You can add in your favicon and do your SEO settings. So it's all a pretty simple process. Now if you want to find it back, you can go to sites here and you can see it right there. So when you create your MailerLite account, they will ask you some questions, and within 24 hours you will be approved or denied. And once you're approved, you can actually go ahead and publish your landing page. So you can do that right here under status and then clicking on publish. So it's all pretty easy, and you can just create as many of these as you like in certain plans. Again, if you want to get started with using MailerLite, you can use my link down in the description to claim your 30-day free trial with no credit card required. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.